In this video, I wanted to go over the differences between flipping a house, wholetailing a house, and wholesaling a house. So a traditional flip, or real estate flip, where you buy a house, you fix it up, you make it real nice, and you resell it, that is a flip. So, the HGTV network has a lot of these shows like Fixer Upper with Chip and Joanna Gaines and the Property Brothers, right? Their main focus is to buy a house and do a bunch of expensive repairs a lot of the times and sell that house for more than they purchased it for. It's a complicated process. You not only have to source and find a deeply discounted deal, but then you have to have the background or have someone that you can depend on, right? You have to deal with construction as well, which in itself is a business, and it's very hard to do in dealing with contractors. It's a side of the business that I've done and do a few of, but I really try and avoid flipping houses. The next one is wholetailing. This is one of my favorite strategies, especially in an inflated market, is you find a deeply discounted property, you purchase the property, and you do very minor repairs or just general cleaning to the property, and then list the property and sell it quickly afterwards. And a lot of times it gets sold to investors, but the best case scenario is you buy a house, clean it, and then sell it to a retail buyer or someone that wants to live in the house. Your bigger deals, your bigger spreads are those properties. So that is wholetailing, and the properties that you pick up at a discount from your marketing that aren't way run down, that's the best strategy to do that. The struggles with doing that is you have to either have private money or hard money or your own cash to be able to close on those deals and do those deals, just like with a flip. But there's a lot less construction that goes into those types of deals. And then wholesaling, which is one of the more exciting strategies, especially for new investors, because you don't have to have money to be able to do those deals. So what wholesaling is where you find a deeply discounted property, just like on the other three. You put the property under contract, and in that contract you need to have a clause or a section in there that allows you to sell that purchase contract or assign that purchase contract to a different buyer and then get a fee for the contract. So essentially you're selling the contract that allows someone else to close on the property, and that is wholesaling. As it's used in the real estate world. So those are the three main differences between flipping, wholesaling, and wholetailing. So hopefully those things help you, and good luck if you're interested in finding more deeply discounted properties. So if you're looking to find deeply discounted properties to use any one of these three strategies, that's what I specialize in. That's why I've been so successful in real estate, is because I can consistently find these deeply discounted properties in any market, in any condition. So I actually have a free webinar where I talk about how to find these deeply discounted properties in any market. You go to dfdmastery.com, sign up for that free webinar, learn about how we do it, what we do, and then also get a sneak peek into our course and to the bonuses to our course. Again, it's dfdmastery.com. Hope to see you there. Also, it's going to be in the show notes. Thanks a bunch.